What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Blue, and today's video is going to actually be a live trade video. Now, Wednesday and Thursday, I didn't take no trades. I was out working, so I didn't even get a chance to take no trades when the market opened. But today, I'm going to give y'all a preview of some of the trades I take so y'all be able to see some of the live trades that I take. Let me know in the comments what type of trader you are, if you're a scalper, a long-term holder, or whatnot. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might.
So we got a minute left before this market open. About to try to catch a live trade out the gate. We don't got a whole lot of range going on during this pre-market session. So hopefully we can catch something out the gate if the market ain't too volatile anyways. But 30 seconds. Maybe to dump down to this support right here and I could catch a long. Or maybe pop up to here. Probably get in a little bit earlier than that, and scale in to catch it short. Depends on where it open anyways. But here we go. So what did we open at? 25. So I'm gonna put something up here since it's popping up. Or maybe down there. What's that? Maybe down here. So one way or another it'll fill us. And we'll scale in from there. Okay, we look like we're gonna get
Order
filled on
filled.
this part. Throw another order out here. What, at 32? If it don't, well, average 32.29. So if we get up here, maybe we can add a contract. 29, take it off. Go ahead and go down to that 32. Fill your boy. Let's go. Cash me on out. Let's see what we can get. Got that long top wick. Oh, it's popping back up there. So, yeah. Just waiting on this fill. All right. I want to take it off down here at, what's this, 32.22. 6 points. That ain't too bad for one contract. But if it want to go up to 32, I'll set my order at 32.28 to take it off. Just don't know. It's hovering around my average. So I was about to pause it, but it looked like it's trying to push down. If it can break this area, this 32.25 area, maybe we can get a nice little flush down. But it might hold this support. What's this? Never know. Now, yesterday we had more range coming out the gate. Today we got a little bit less. So look at this long wick. What I want to put, 32.28. It's just playing with me now. Playing with me. But yeah, I ain't trade Wednesday or Thursday, so that's why I did this live trade. Give y'all a little bit longer video. I'm gonna pause it though. If it look like it's gonna fill one, then I'll get it back started. Oh, look like it's going up there now, so it's playing around with me. All right, I'm gonna just pause it.
Filled.
Well, it just filled me. I ain't get to get it on recording, but I put my order out here. Maybe it'll pull back to it now, since it filled me up here. It's chopping through the same areas. If it filled me, then otherwise I'll add one. What is that at?
Order filled.
Oh, it took me out, so got that one on tape, so we'll come back when we get a setup to take something else. I already took the one off at the bottom, so that's what, 25 bucks so far. Let me see down here. Yeah, 25. So we're gonna see if we can find something else. And look, it looked like it was trying to pull it down here for a second, but it ain't get here. But anyways, I'll pause it. Maybe we'll get another one in. If we don't, then we'll see what we gonna do. All right, we got an order in here. It's looking like we about to get filled on it, maybe. It's got like another $1 to push up.
Order filled.
All right, we got filled. So now let's see if we can get that off. It's that 40. I got another order sitting up over just in case it want to reach up to there to 43. Let me see. We're gonna set the first exit at 34 if it pull back. If it want to keep going in and go up to 43, then we'll set it up under at 39, the two contracts. Otherwise, we're going to see what this thing want to do for me so we can see if we can get cashed out. My bad. Dang on phone started ringing on me, but I wanted to pull back, but if it want to keep going up, we'll take that too. That's a good feel too, if it keep on pushing up. So let's see what we get with this. I'm thinking about just going ahead, pausing it. See. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pause it because this might take a little minute. I know the market will pull back harder than it'll push. You see this move right here. I was going to put an order down at 15. It didn't fill it. But if you look at this after the first move, it actually came down to where I wanted to get out, like right after I got filled up here. And then it dumped all the way down and would have took out that 22. But it just played me. But it don't matter. We got a good entry in, and then it pushed right back up to it. I don't know if you can see it right there, but it filled me up here and then took me out right here, but it could have took me out all the way down here off of this one. But we got a good feel, and then it pushed back up, double topped, and then dumped out. And I had an order sitting out at 15, but it went down to 16 and stopped. So I took the order off. Then it just pushed up like crazy. So hopefully we can get this pullback to get out. If not, then we'll just take the other entry up here and take it off at 39, hopefully. If it don't want to do that, then we'll add another contract up a little further. But we're going to see what we can get. And I'm going to go ahead and pause it.
Order filled.
So it filled my second order. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this order down here at 39. I got another order sitting up at 46. Maybe we can get the pull back now then, since it didn't want to. It actually got up here, but it was like $1 off, and then it pulled back down, and instead of filling me, I could have been in and out already.
Order filled.
All right, it took me out, so we done with that order. Let me take these 2 orders off. Those probably just what I'm gonna do today. It's getting close. Well, it's 10:30, so if something else possibly pop up, I might get it rolling again. But if not, then y'all have a good day and have a good weekend. And while we try to build his account back up, as you see, $50 realized today, $491 total in my account since I done dwindled it down. But we gonna see what we can get next week if I don't get another order to put in. So with that said, if y'all like these type of videos where I record my trades live, then let me know down in the comments and hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. All right.